No one warns you about this part. Playing it safe doesn't stay neutral. You play what you know will work, you avoid the risk, you keep the band together. And for a while, that feels smart. But here's what actually happens. Every time you play it safe, your range shrinks. You don't just lose ideas, you lose trust in your hands, in your instincts. And that loss actually compounds to the point where eventually you stop reaching at all. Not because you can't, but because you don't believe it will land. This isn't about confidence. Confidence doesn't disappear on its own. It erodes when your practice never gives you proof. And this is a training problem, not a personality flaw, not an age thing. There's a way to practice that builds trust instead of avoidance. And that's what most drummers never learn. I break this down step by step in a free class for adult drummers who are tired of shrinking their playing to survive the song. The link is below. If this felt heavy, it's because it's real.